how to choose a product to promote on Digistore24. What Digistore24 is known for are its high percentage of commissions. Digistore24's commissions can go up to 85%, as we can see right here on this top product. Whereas on ClickBank, you can only earn a fraction of that when it comes to your commission. Alright, so what do we need to look for when deciding on a product to promote? When we first enter the marketplace, they will be sorted by sales rank, but that is not what we need to search for. Instead, what I suggest searching for is this. When you click here, we want to go to popularity. Now, the most popular products are popular for a reason. As you can see right here, if we just go and click on this little question mark, as you can see the rating, these are the most popular products. It means they work. So if they work, people are more willing to buy them and not cancel their orders. So as you can see, the top product in popularity is currently this Dominate the Male Enhancement or Eisenpower, sorry. This was the caption for it. So Eisenpower with a 65% commission. As you can see, 105 euros is what you can earn. Then if we go and scroll a little bit further down, Primal Grow Pro, Home Doctor, as you can see, these are the top 3 products when it comes to popularity. So instead of sorting by sales rank, what I suggest doing is sorting by popularity, looking at the commission percentage you can earn and the earnings, and deciding on a product that way. For example, I would definitely try and advertise this product, Eisenpower, and see how it does. I'm going to do a little challenge video, but that's for the future. So I hope you learned something out of this. Instead of sorting by sales rank, sort it by popularity and decide on a product that way. They're popular for a reason. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Bye.